In this video, we will know that how to create partition during Windows installation. When you install any Windows, any operating system on your laptop or desktop, so during the installation, how to create partition, in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 7 and Windows 11 and other software. So let's start the video. So guys, let's start the video. You can see here under the dialog, select location to install Windows 11. There are unlocated space. You can see here 140 GB. Okay, so how to create partition this unlocated space? So guys, first click on refresh button. Okay, and after that select this space and click here create partition option. Click on it and you can see here there are size on your HDD or SSD. 140 GB. You can see here there are size in MB. There are GB and here in MB. So we create here 100 GB space C drive. You should create 100 GB C drive. So click here. There are MB size. So write this is 100 GB. Around 100 GB. You can see here 97.5 GB primary partition. Okay, you can see here there are primary partition. This is a C drive and click here format partition and click here OK. This is a primary partition. Unlocated space. Now create this partition. Click on it and click here create partition and you can create some more partition here. So I will create here 25 GB partition. Okay, there are 50 GB. I will create here 25 GB. This is the second partition, D drive. Okay, and here is unlocated space and create here partition and click here all size partition. There are three partition. We create a there are three partition primary partition. There are format it and again format it. Now select this first partition 9700 GB. This is our primary partition. Click here next. You can see here ready to install. You can install your Windows under C drive. So guys, I hope you will know that how to create a partition during Windows installation. If you like this video and your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.